Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about different adaptive features of an animals in extreme conditions. Extreme difficult conditions means when there are very cold or it is too hot. So in such in conditions, how do the different animals survive? So surviving in extremes. So first of all, we will discuss about polar regions. Polar regions means it is the coldest place in the world. Okay, and different animals are live there like the polar bear and the penguins. So how do they survive in such a cold environment? So let us try to find out. So if we were talking about the penguin, so penguin they have a thick layer of fat under their skin. Yes, penguin and polar bear both they have a thick layer of fat under their skin, and this thick layer of fat is known as blubber. This thick layer of fat is known as blubber. So this blubber protect them from the extreme cold. On the other hand, polar bear have a thick fur on their body up to the toes. Its complete body, full body is covered with thick fur which give them the warmth. And the penguins, they have the feathers they have which protect them from the cold. So in such an extreme cold conditions, these blubbers, their fur, their feathers help them protect them from the extreme cold. Now if we will talking about the very hot conditions like the deserts. Yes, in desert it's too hot. So how different animals survive there? So some of the animals which don't have their special adaptive features, they just come out from their habitat only at the night, so that when the temperature is low they come out in search of the food and water, and during the daytime they remain into their habitat. And now we are talking about the camel. Camel, it is the sheep of the desert because a camel has a number of adaptive features. For example, if we will talking about camel has long legs. Yes, camel has long legs. These long legs helps them to protect from the heat of the sun. It has the padded feet. Camel has the padded feet. So with the help of padded feet, it can easily move on hot sand because there the sand is very hot now. But due to these long legs, due to these padded feet, it can easily move. And camel can survive without water and without food for many days, because when the food is available, when the water is available, it can store it into their hump in the form. It can store the energy into their hump. A camel may has one hump, may has two hump. So these hump provide them the energy if the water and food is not available. A camel has the long eyelashes so that the sand will not be enter into their eyes, and they can close their nostril. So these different adaptive features help a camel to live in the desert. Now there are some special adaptive features or you are there which is adopted by the different animals. So first is your hibernation. Hibernation means long winter sleep. Yes, long winter sleep. During the time of the winter, some animals like the snake, like the lizards, they just go for a long sleep, and they will come out when there is the weather is the suitable for them for the search of their food and water. And next is their migration. Migration means mass movements of animals from one place to another, maybe in search of the food, maybe in search of the water, and maybe to avoid from the harsh weather condition, or you can say winter, it's very cold or it's very hot. For example, there is in Siberia, there are Siberian cranes. During the winter time, they mostly go to the another countries like India, which is a warmer place for them. So the mass movements of animals from one place to another is known as migration. It is also one of the adaptive feature of animals. And a long winter sleep by some of the animals, this is known as hibernation, and this is one of the adaptive features. Some animals can change their colors according to their surrounding. So as we know कि different animals, they live in their different habitat and they are adapted according to their habitat.